Siemens is introducing a new solution to program YAEDM machine tools as part of the manufacturing suite in NX. In this video, you will see the feature recognition workflow in NX YAEDM Advanced, which allows the user to create toolpaths automatically and efficient. In this case, all the inner geometry features should be machined, most of them with multiple cuts and different offsets. A few of them will be machined with a pocketing operation. After launching the application, first select the desired machine tool and the connected post-processor. Note, NX YAEDM Advanced comes with a large set of out-of-the-box post-processors covering all relevant machine tool vendors. It also comes with a technology database that can either be loaded directly from the machine tool or it can be defined on the fly as you program. The feature recognition can be started by right mouse button click on the operation. Two basic recognition settings are available. One, cut only internal features, which is normally used in die and mold plates, or two, external ones, normally used for punch features. The system also allows a combination of both settings. In this case, we use the internal one only. This is all that is needed to start the feature recognition. Just for information, let's look at what can be adjusted in the feature recognition settings. In the feature type group, you can select which type of geometry to be recognized. This allows you to avoid any cylinders to be cut, for example. You can also specify if repeated features should be grouped in a single feature with multiple instances. Close the setting dialog to get back to the feature recognition. Click OK to start the recognition process. Note, this also includes the toolpath generation. Very quickly, the features are found and toolpaths are created. You can go through the list of features and review each path. Here we see 3 toolpaths with different offsets. You can now change one of the features or multiple ones to be cut as a pocket, so all the material can be removed. So there is no need to consider what happens if part of material will fall down. To verify the program, you can review the toolpath with material removal. If the result is OK, you can output the toolpaths into an NC program file. It is your choice to output the entire operation or only some of the features. As you could see in this video, creating toolpaths for YAEDM machine tools in NX is very easy and efficient. This will help reduce programming time and decrease the total time required for the entire process from data to finished part.